If you're looking for a way to boost your immune system and reduce inflammation, chaga mushrooms is it. Hey, I'm Katie Stewart, registered holistic nutritionist and board certified essential oil practitioner. So we're gonna be making up a chaga latte today. This is super simple and a really delicious way to do it. So I love using my blender whenever I'm making lattes because it makes them super frothy. If you don't have a blender, you can totally do this in a saucepan over the stove with a really good whisk. But for now, I'm gonna be using this. Or if you have one of those immersion blenders, this would totally work really great too. So let's throw the blender up there. Now I like to start off with hot almond, coconut, or cashew milk. I've warmed this up on the stove top because I'm not a fan of warming things up in the microwave. And what I did just to boost the creamy factor is I put a little bit of coconut cream in as well, because coconut cream is so delicious and it's really gonna add a really nice creaminess to it, and it's gonna be so delicious. So we have that in, and then next up, we're gonna be adding in the chaga. So Caforia sent me this amazing chaga mushroom tea, and you can be definitely having this as a tea, but again, I love making this into a really warming latte. This is great to be having in the cooler months, or hey, it's great to be having anytime. So I also have the tincture extract as well that I love having when I'm traveling or I can't have my chaga mushroom, because I really love the immune support that the mushrooms give you. So all I did to make the tea is I just steeped it like I would any other tea. But one thing that you do have to do first is if you are doing a quick steep, which is about 4 to 6 minutes, I just want to show you something first. So if you look right here, you're going to see that the chaga mushroom comes in these chunk forms. So in order to steep it quickly, you want to be using a coffee grinder, a clean coffee grinder, to be grinding this down prior to steeping. But you can just follow the instructions on the label as well. So I steeped it, and I'm just going to be adding it right in there. Add all that in. Perfect. And then I love adding some warming spices to this because they play so well with the flavor of the chaga mushroom. So we're going to be doing some cinnamon. I love using Ceylon cinnamon because it's absolutely wonderful. So warming for the digestive system. A little bit of ginger. Again, we're all about those warming spices going into the cooler months. And last up, I love adding in a pinch of nutmeg. So these are going to be really great for helping keep that digestive system really nice and warm. And last up, I'm going to be adding in a little bit of sweetness. So whether you use raw honey, maple syrup, or if you're looking for something more diabetic friendly, like say a monk fruit extract, you can be adding that in as well. So whatever your preferred sweetness is, and I'm just going to use another spoon here to get all of that goodness in. There we go. So now all we have to do is stir it up. So we're just going to turn the blender on high for just a couple seconds to get it nice and frothy. And there you go. All right, and look how amazing this looks. You got that nice froth on top, so I'm just gonna grab my mug. And another thing I love about chaga is it's really great for your liver health as well. So if you wanna be boosting pretty much every aspect of your body, I'm telling you, chaga mushroom is the way to go, and it's so delicious and makes a really wonderful latte. So if you have any questions about chaga, just pop them in the comments below and I'd be happy to answer them. See you guys later.